In this quick video guide, we're going to talk about Waze Carpool, which is an app that will help you to ride with other users and save energy, save money. So it's basically a car sharing tool or a vehicle sharing tool. And I think it's really helpful and useful, could be really helpful for many users. So let's see how we can download it here and install it. So let's click on the Play Store and just search for Waze. So the WAZE and not Auto or the standard Waze, which is another application about GPS and maps, but this time it's Carpool. So CARPOOL. Now you can also check for all the information, the official website here. Just search for Waze Carpool on the web and you will find all the information. You can also download from here if you're using a browser in your smartphone or in your tablet, and then you can click here if you have a Android or a smartphone. An iPhone. Yeah, you can download from the App Store. You can also send a link from here to a smartphone. Now be careful because this service is not yet available in every country, so you must look for here if your country it's available. Otherwise you will find also similar service in your language probably and in your country. Just type Carpool and probably you will find similar application to download and test. And also please test it, and if you want you can send us some message, some suggestions on other similar apps, and also questions if you want. Now here you have all the information that you need and the technical support from the website, and you can check here. And so basically it should look like Waze, and it should work like Waze. So you will have like a maps, and you can define a ride, plan a ride, or define like you can see it's not available in my country yet, but I guess you can just plan the beginning of your ride and or your trip and the end of your trip, and then it's gonna give you some possible mates, some possible partners that you can choose from, and then you can get organized probably with messages and things like that. Now I think this service is kind of blocked right now because we are in COVID-19 emergency, but I think that really soon it's gonna be available. So we can perhaps check some images together here, some screenshots, and you can see how we can set a price that works for you. So it's kind of sharing. So you're gonna put a little amount of money, and also the other passengers will put a little amount of money, and then you're gonna share the cost, and it's gonna be cheaper and better than going alone in a trip. So if your starting point and destination are similar or are identical to another user, then you can get organized and you can share the ride. And you can see here a little bit of screenshots of how the system works, and I think it's a brilliant idea, just like other contemporary apps, to save energy, to save pollution, save the money. So I think it's wonderful. And then I think you can choose drivers also based on their rankings, so you can be sure maybe that one person it's nice and things like that. They're gonna have picture and description, just like a social network. So shouldn't be let's say dangerous as like doing the hitchhiking on a road with the strangers. You will have all their details and so on. Okay, and again, these are some, I think this is Uber, but it's based on same logic, but Uber, it's more like taxi, but a little bit cheaper. So unfortunately, we cannot test this right now. We tested Waze and it works beautifully. It works okay. And then later on, probably we will make more tests on this application as well. Now, if you want to check our channel here, you can type here in the research if you are searching for something in particular. We produce videos about simple apps, simple smartphone apps like this, but also about professional software for 3D modeling, graphic design, video editing, and so on. So if you want to check the playlist page here, you will find English video courses right here, all the professional English video courses, and down at the bottom you will find English video guides, similar to this one, but with testing applications, web apps, smartphone apps, and so on. So have a look to that. And if you want to support us, you can join, or you can use the information in the About page. You will find some links here to, if you are interested in these services, use these links, proceed to the registration, and then you will support us and also get supported. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.